It's really amazing the type of people you can connect with. TikTok is such a great platform, and I think anyone can get started with it easily. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Victoria. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the top tips and tricks, as well as hacks that got me over 10,000 followers within a month. I will be going over 5 tips that will help you grow your TikTok account. So the first thing is to know what your account is for. Understand the purpose of you starting an account. If you're trying to start it for your business, then that is very important to be clear about when you first start your TikTok account. If you're trying to start a separate account that is more business focused for your small business versus a personal account, you want to start with a clean slate. Make sure you find a niche and stick to it. Although that's not the only thing you can post about, make sure that about 75% of your content is related to your niche and then the other 25% can be random things. And also remember that your first 5 videos are very important for your account. TikTok looks at your first 5 video content to see where they should place you, kind of like in different buckets or categories of content. And so you want to make sure that your first 5 really shows your audience and the people who will view your content the exact kind of things you're producing. So if it is very focused on your business, I really recommend that you start an account separate from your personal account. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is to understand that the most important metric on TikTok is the watch time. Although likes and comments are still a part of the algorithm for TikTok to determine how good of a content you're producing, it's important to understand that the most important metric on TikTok, because it is a video platform, is to retain your audience, is to make sure that they watch your video from the beginning till the very end. The higher your TikTok watch time for each video you post, the more likely TikTok will blast your video to a wider group of audience and potentially get your video to go viral. And the reason for this is TikTok's algorithm is slightly different than other social media platforms. They tend to recycle videos. So no matter how old your video is, it has the potential to be shown to even more people, even weeks or months after it was posted. Unlike other social media platforms where the lifetime of a video or content will be anywhere between 24 hours to 3 days. Have you also noticed that when you're on TikTok, you do not see the date of that video when it was posted on your FYP page, For You page? This leads me to the third tip. If you've noticed when you are on TikTok, you do see the dates on your following page. Your following is based on the time. So the most recent videos will be shown to you on your following page. But the videos on your FYP page or For You page does not have times or dates of when it was created. And there's a real good reason why TikTok does this. They reuse and recycle content. And so you are unaware about when a content was created and posted. And by just scrolling through your TikTok For You page feed, you would never know how old the content is. And as an account on TikTok, you want to make sure that you're capitalizing on this by producing the most quality content that is funny and engaging for the users, because it has a potential to go viral. Like I mentioned earlier, TikTok is very different from other social media platforms. They are pretty much the opposite of platforms like Instagram. TikTok slowly releases your content to groups of people. And if it performs well based on the watch time metrics and the share metrics, then they were more likely to blast it out to even more people. That is why even in the first hour, you could have no views. Next few days or months, your video blows up. This is less likely, but also possible. And this is why the contents produced and shared on TikTok has a much longer shelf time. It's more than 24 or 48 hours. Your videos could have the potential to blow up a week or two after you posted them. Don't treat TikTok like Instagram. Make sure you're producing content that doesn't have to be visually, you don't have to make aesthetically pleasing videos. You want to make videos that have good quality content. So don't treat it like Instagram. And the last tip is to make sure you're making friends on TikTok. Like any other social media platform, it allows you to meet people from all over the world that you would not meet if you weren't on the platform. It's really amazing the type of people you can connect with. And I know due to how TikTok is formatted, it's very hard to be noticed on TikTok. I know it's a struggle to get someone to notice you after you followed them. So I have a tip about how to connect with people. My last tip is on how to connect with other TikTok accounts and to get noticed. So before you follow an account, because everyone will get a lot of notifications when they have follows, likes, and comments, what you want to do is you want to first like and comment on their content, and then you want to follow them so they notice that you were active with their account and you were engaging with them. And don't write any random comments like FYP. Make sure you're genuine about what you're commenting and that it's relevant to the content they're producing. And once they notice you, they also will follow you back. I've had this happen many times where bigger content producers with much more followings are more likely to notice me even if we share similar content or not. And the next thing to do is make sure that you reach out once you make that connection. Drop them a DM saying, thank you so much, would love to connect with you, it was really nice, really loving your content, please keep up the amazing work. And this way, you guys are building a relationship outside of just TikTok. Actually can make real friends on TikTok. I really hope you enjoy some of the tips and tricks I shared with you about starting a TikTok account and how to engage with your community. TikTok is such a great platform and I think anyone can get started with it easily. If you really enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Bye!